The school system, which is in a shambles right now. 30+% of our primary school children leaving primary school can't read. 50% can't spell, can't do mathematics, basic mathematics. They're not ready for secondary school. How can we develop our land, Jamaica, unless we invest in the youths from early childhood to primary, and make sure that by the time they reach age of 11 or 12, they are ready for secondary school. They can read and write, them can do them addition and subtraction and multiplication and division. That is a commitment of the next PNP government. We are going to invest in early childhood development and primary school education and raise all standards so that all primary schools are generating youths who are ready for secondary school. We have 1 and 2 or 3 or 4, a handful of outstanding primary schools, and we have far too many that are not producing what the children need. We must build for the future by investing in the youth them. The government has dropped the ball when it comes to the HEART program. For long periods of time, HEART didn't even have a board, so them couldn't sign no certificate for the youth them who do the training program. They finish the training program, them can't get certified because HEART can't sign the certificate for over a year. We need to fix HEART. We need to make sure that HEART is integrated with the economy that is emerging in the country and is producing workers who will be productive and can get work and get well-paying jobs, because we want to take Jamaica out of low-tech, low wages and make Jamaica a place where everybody nice, where everybody can achieve their hopes and dreams.